Hey there, I'm Renu, working for Keystone Realty, a commercial real estate brokerage firm. Meet our CEO Rajiv. He's a team player who enjoys the challenges of cracking deals. He's resolved to create opportunities and is hungry to reach targets. He collaborates with internal and market players. Our team once lost a business opportunity as we submitted a proposal that did not meet our client's needs. On analysis, Rajiv figured that the requirement captured was inaccurate due to lack of proper structure to record the same. This led to inadequate analysis of clients' needs, thus resulting in erroneous solution. This was further amplified by insufficient collaboration. He was conscious of his other corporate challenges like lack of right system to store master data and the chaotic manner of recording interactions. Rajiv decided to embrace Exaspaces, a SaaS platform built exclusively for commercial real estate industry. For our next requirement, we decided to leverage Exaspaces to close our deal. We used Exaspaces to capture requirement as defined by the client and for collaborative analysis of the requirement. We further used it to prepare a comprehensive proposal with relevant units of the buildings and to share the proposal with the client. Using Exaspaces, we as a team were able to manage the master data in relevance to the buildings, landlords, and clients systematically. We are now able to schedule, store, and access all of the interactions methodically, thus achieving high levels of accuracy and efficiency. The team gained confidence in Exaspaces as the data remains safe and secure here and due to the ease in using it. It provides for a superlative experience without the need of an expert IT support to handle the platform. Over a period of time, the team could effectively manage collaborations and relationships with clients and landlords while moving a step closer towards achieving company goals. The clients expressed satisfaction as they felt the experience quite pleasing. Write to us to learn more.